Peace, love, and happiness, and many wishes for a great day. I'm here to share with you how much I believe in the human race and how spectacular we all are as beings. That we are the creators of our own thoughts, and that we are also the controller of our emotions. We need to make them all beautiful. We define everything in our lives. We are the ones who define how things affect us. I wish to share with you that I would love for you on September 24th from dusk until dawn to the 25th to focus your love on the planet Earth and the universe. I'm not certain as to why. I just wish I could get people to do that just for a little bit. Maybe it'll make you a little bit more aware of what a spectacular being you are. We are now a part of a universe. Changes everything now. Be a great being because you truly are. I love you all and I wish you well. Have a beautiful day and a smile on the universe. Thank you very much.